Hello friends. So this video is about how to go to TradingView and what all indicators, how to apply them. It's a very basic elementary video for beginners in technical analysis. So what we need to do is first go to this website TradingView. While there are many other websites, but this is the one that I prefer, tradingview.com. In in.tradingview.com, that's for India, and otherwise there are global sites also. So here to have a login ID, you can even use your Twitter or or Facebook ID. So I am logging in and once you're here, this is the home page. You go to charts. The charts, it does take some time to load up everything because there is a lot of information to be fetched from the servers. And the information that would be visible is from the um, last activity from my ID. So last time around I was checking ICICI Bank, so that's what is being loaded. But if you are creating a new ID, probably you'll not get this. Probably you'll get something else. They have USD INR as their default, I think. So you'll get that. And here you see at the right hand side is a watch list. All the name of the I have added. Do this, you'll get some kind of chart. So here are a few basic things. Right now this is my layout where I'm using this Bollinger Band and MACD and ADX. So I'll remove all this and I'll show you from fresh how to apply this. So as I said, it's for newcomers, so maybe they'll need to know everything how it goes. So first let me remove all the indicators, the moving averages, the Bollinger Band, the super trends, and these are all called indicators. So when you open a chart, there are few things. Your view may not be like this, but there are few things important you need to understand. A script that you want to see. Now assume that you want to see Gravita. So you type Gravita in here and you get a drop box, and once you click on Gravita you'll get the chart. Now the chart here is a candle chart, but it could be any chart. There are many types of charts. So once you click here you'll see it could be a bar chart, it could be a Heikin-Ashi chart, whatever type of analysis you use. It could be a simple line chart. So what I use is a candle chart, and nowadays most of people use candle chart. So once you are here, the second thing you want to see is what is the time frame that you are going to analyze. So once you click here, this one right now is a daily frame. You can go back to hourly or a minute or even weekly. So if you go to hour, it will show you an hourly chart. So each candle will be of activity of 1 hour. So here this one is 10:15 AM candle of 5th July. If I move here, it is 6th July 9:15 candle. So the price has moved down from 143 to 141, and in this period it was 133 to 141, right? So now the other thing, this is where you go your indicators. Once you go here, whatever indicator you want, suppose you want a super trend, you go here and you get a built-in indicator super trend. There are some indicators which are published by the users like you and me who can do coding. So if you know any of the indicator that you want to use, you will find it here if he has published it for public use. So you get super trend. Then suppose you want a moving average, you will get moving average. And suppose you want pivots, so there are standard pivots and there are other pivots as well. So let's take a standard pivots. So and there are hundreds of indicators. It depends what you want to see, how you want to analyze, what's your setup. So once you have all the indicators, every indicator has its own setting, which basically is about the period, means how many candles you need to analyze. So 10-3 is the default, and let's keep it like this. Pivots, let's keep them like this. Moving averages, so many people have a moving average length of 50 to 100, 20, 21. I prefer 21 for short term trends, and the source could be close, high, open, low, whatever you want. So close is the normal one. So this is how you get all the charts, and this is how you get the setup. So let's remove for the time being the pivots and just see what are the values of super trend. So for Gravita, the super trend on hourly is showing 134. If you make it to daily, the super trend will change to 170. So basically these indicators are used for finding the trend as well as trailing the stop losses and setting the stop losses. And there are many other strategies which are based on the indicators. So but this video was only about how to set up the indicators on your chart. So I'll continue in my next video about candle formations and other stuff. Thank you.